Good day, it's Donald Dawson at Donald's Innovations and Repairs, and today I'm going to demonstrate how to use a Milwaukee magnetic drill. Now it comes with usually a hogwash, whoops, we're getting out of focus, and there we are, hogwash, or you can always use good old rapid tap. I prefer using rapid tap. It's just a preference as a machinist goes. So what we'll do is we'll use some rapid tap, and this is a annular drill bit. Basically it's a glorified end mill that cuts a slug out, and there's a little pin within the interior of the drill, and this pin allows you to center punch, or to follow the center punch that you've created in your drilling. So I'll put some PPE on, personal protective equipment. And what we do is we just carefully bring the bit down to the surface, letting the pin float into the hole that we want to, or the center punch that we want to create. There's a magnetic switch on the back, and we'll show you what that's all about. The magnetic switch is here, and we engage that. And then to turn this whole unit on is to pull it up. Now it's off, but the magnetism is not off. So, without further ado, just right. So what we do, get some hearing protection on. Make sure our magnet is on. Put a little bit of cutting fluid on the flutes, a little bit, not much, and rotate. So now we've created a hole and some swarf. Now, normally you would not want to take that swarf away with your bare fingers because it is sharp. So what you do when you have swarf and the machine is stopped, you just take the swarf away with a metal hook, okay? But the machine has to be stopped before you do that. And when you're applying cutting fluid, especially with a small bottle like this, just drip a little bit in the groove that's formed, and that's it. And just let the machine do all the work. We'll add a little bit more cutting fluid. Just a drop. Doesn't have to be much. There we go. And it's really helpful if you put some ventilation on, because there's a lot of smoke that's generated, or at least do this in a well-ventilated area outside, or at least under a hood or something like that. So you don't want it in your face. And you know what? something I forgot to do. If I really want to protect my nose, I should be wearing a respirator. Okay? This is the modern age. You wear everything, all your personal protective equipment. Okay? So I'm a bad boy. Don't forget that. Okay? And remember, don't pull the swarf off with your fingers. Use some sort of hook to just take it off while the machine is stopped, okay? There, that's all there is to it. Now I'll let you see a couple of holes that have been drilled. They're quite precise, very nice sharp holes. When I say sharp, that means you need to actually deburr the holes. So get a file or a deburring tool and then get rid of the sharpness. Okay? That's it. Have fun, enjoy. These machines are wonderful and they're quite safe, but remember your safety. All right? Bye.